I deposited $30. I flipped that money from $30 to 297 USD. Started seeing some blues profit. And I remember by then I didn't know that when you see red, that is losses. When you see blues, that's profit. Most people don't realize. When you tell someone I'm a trader, you'll be thinking maybe 24/7 you'll be looking at the chart. Let's say I can trade clean and session. And once I get my clean trade, I be done for the day, to be honest. I can go maybe do some other stuff, or I can be there watching my trades, maybe play out. It's not like I should be fighting with the market, or no, it's really boring to be full-time day trader. Growing up in Uganda, it's not, I wouldn't say it's really easy. Like most, like me personally, I wasn't born from the central. Central, it is like where there is capital city of the country, which means I was born from the west, whereby in the village, like things were not really easy. I remember one day I woke up, one day I was like, you know what, people used to come at our village, they could tell us how the city good is and whatever. So even in my village, there was no opportunities. So until one day I woke up, I was like, okay, I think I need to go and find more opportunities. I was really young, like 17, 18, around that. I realized, I was like, man, I think there is another way how to make money or something like that. And I think, you know, everyone who is, let's say, farming, stuff like that. So I think my mindset want that type of lifestyle, to be honest. We were taught you need to work up, you know, when you get born, you go to school, then later you go to university so that you can get a profession or something. I was figuring it out. I was like, but I think I could do something else and I could do better. I remember I registered myself on Facebook. I could go on Facebook. I see a lot of people posting stuff. Let's say, seeing some new stuff on internet. I started picking up. I could see people in the building, and I didn't know I would be somewhere in those buildings or something like that. I remember my first business, it was a nail parlor. I started from the scratch, like from the street. Like I remember one day there was a guy who were like, okay, you could help me to do some stuff. Maybe I will pay you some money. And that guy, he was owning a nail parlor. So I went there, I was like, okay, I got something maybe to eat, or even if I work, as long as I get something to eat. I started working with him until I learned that profession. It took me like 1 year, and I realized I can do big. I started, you know, clients started trusting me. I started working on the celebrity. It was like a marketing strategy. I could work on them for free, then they could bring me clients. Actually, in 6 months, I was really nailing it, having like 8 employees, and it was really nice and great experience. I realized, man, this nail parlor maybe it may not take me far. It's the point where I discovered, you know, I was in internet. At the same time, there was some of the clients who used to come at my nail parlor. I was like, some clients were too rich. It's like when you see someone who is rich and be like, bro, you're making money, but how can you make this type of money? Because they used to come with, you know, some good cars with money. Someone he doesn't even need to know how much are you charging or something like that. One day I asked someone, I was like, man, I see that guy. There was a guy who was just 24, around that, but he was really rich, to be honest. I asked a friend, I was like, man, what does this guy do? He told me that he does trading. I had, do you know trading? I went on TikTok. By then TikTok was there. I searched about trading. Oof, I saw a lot of videos about people making money. Some of them, when you see 1,000 USD, 2,000 USD. When I made a research about trading, I realized there are some people who are making the money I'm making a month, because I could get like something like 2,000 USD as a profit per month. And that is, in my home country, that is a good money, to be honest. I realized there are some people who are making that a day within just a click. Oh, I was like, this is really nice. I need to make a research about this thing. If I can learn an online skill like this trading, I realized you just need a phone and a computer, let's say like a laptop. And I could afford those stuff there and then. That's when I bought laptop, a better phone, I started to find out how to trade. When you search about trading, you receive a lot of people making, maybe displaying results, MT4. I started making a research, and that's when I knew there is something trading and you can make money online by just clicking. I felt really bad, to be honest, by the time I blew that money. It was bad, but at the same time, I learned something like you can make money by trading. I mean, this was this opened my eyes, to be honest, because I didn't know anything that can turn into a small amount of money into a big amount of money, you understand? And that money was really too big. As I told you, I used to earn like $2,000 a month. So making $300 a day, that was life-changing. But after losing it, I felt bad. I knew it was the beginning, to be honest. I remember depositing $30 on my broker. There was a friend of mine who helped me to open a trading account. He was like, don't deposit any money or something. Then to me, I was like, bro, I have money to deposit. What is the minimum deposit? It was $10. I was like, this is small, let me deposit $30. I need more money. Then I deposited $30. I remember by then I couldn't understand that XAUUSD, that's gold. I'm trading gold. Actually, it was really volatile. I bought gold and I started seeing some blows profit. And I remember by then I didn't know that when you see red, that is losses. When you see blows, that's profit. I flipped that money from $30 to something 297 USD, calling my mom. I was like, hey mom, yeah, you know, I'm doing this business, but I have got another business, I think, to even tell her. You know, our parents, they get scared every time when they hear about stuff like that. I tried in the morning again to trade. I realized the market doesn't open during the weekend. I had blown that money because all I could see, you know, market, I think, opened and it started selling. I was buying, closing. I didn't want to see red as any other beginner. Every time I could go into reds, cross my trades until I blew that account. Everyone, when he blows money, maybe I would say he can lose hope and stop anything like that, let's say like trading. But to me, I realized, man, if I could make this money from this amount of money, and I had to take a picture about my business, man. I make 2,000 USD a month, like after I have spent times and times operating, managing, and doing all of those stuff. When I started making money, I started to see some stuff which I didn't even know that I would see, like maybe speed internet. If I buy, let's say my car, I need good roads, something like that. Then I realized I had to make a research about neighboring countries which has like good internet, good roads, nice city, clean city, something like that. I was like, let me change the place, let me go to a well-developed place. And that's when I moved to Kenya. I had to shift everything from my country to Kenya to start again. Not really to start again, but to build another audience, simply because I was also filming my videos, YouTube, Instagram. So I had even more followers from Kenya, so I was like, let me change the place. Most people don't realize. When you tell someone, maybe I'm a trader, you'll be thinking maybe 24/7 you'll be looking at the chart. Like personally, I trade, let's say I can trade like London session, right? And once I get my clean trade, I be done for the day, to be honest. Which means when I go and I press my trade or maybe my order limit, wherever it is, I can go maybe do some other stuff, or I can be there watching my trades, maybe play out. It's not like I should be fighting with the market or something like that. No, it's really boring to be a full-time day trader. Being a full-time trader is freedom. I mean, you can have freedom to enjoy your quality time first. Another thing is I have seen a lot of business, online business or whatever it is. Even on my social media, I see a lot of people saying, oh, learn this skill, learn this skill. But when you're a trader, I think you have time for yourself. As long as you can master yourself, the rest, you can decide to do whatever you want during the day. Yeah. One of the reasons why I moved to Dubai is, you know, I used to pay a visit here in Dubai, let's say for like 1 month, and I I was really inspired. And one of the things that why I moved here is just to level up. That's what I can say. Because I was getting comfortable back at my home, even though when I moved to Kenya, when you're what, let's say like maybe 500 USD or something like that, you're kind of big. And when I came here, I realized, man, it is just a beginning or something like that. I was like, no, I need really to level up, right? So one of the things, I was like, let me move to Dubai so that I can, level up myself. That's it. If I would go back to my early trading journey, something that I would do different is maybe getting a mentor, simply because I took like 6 months, 7 months minus me trusting a mentor or having any mentor, because I could trust YouTube videos. Yes, they are nice for polishing, stuff like that, but I would get a mentor at first, because first when I got a mentor, everything was really different. I learned about, let's say, the psychology. It is something that you can't just learn on YouTube videos, unless you can just learn that by copying, maybe by following someone that is doing the same thing that you're doing, maybe by following someone who knows better than you. My goal is just to inspire them, not only to inspire them, maybe to show them a way. Like if I can come here and I speak these words to them while they are watching me, they can maybe correct themselves somewhere. If I would send a message to a future me, I would say, man, you finally did it. But because you had to stick to your plan, you had to stick to your, to discipline, following everything that you wrote down. Because right now, I write everything. I take a picture to wherever I want to buy or wherever I want to achieve. I have it even right now. And I believe you achieve them. I know you're proud of yourself right now.